By number 100, Rohit. Number 101, Ankit. Number 102, Malu. Number 103, Shri. 104, Meghananand. Number 65, Ikan, GTF. Number 515, Olga. 106, Dandaraj. Number 108, Dhruv. And last but not least, 109, Surya. All right, boys, let's close the gap. 65 coming a little bit closer, 515 coming in, that's it. All right, gentlemen, quarter turn time. Quarter turn to the right. Gentlemen, quarter turn to the right, facing the back, please. Gentlemen, quarter turn to the right. Quarter turn to the right, facing the front, please. All right, time for some movement. All right, let's switch 108 and 104, please. 108, 104. Number 99 and 102, 99 and 102. That's it, looking at each other, guys, switching places, please. And 99 and 103 next to each other, switching places, please. Alright boys, time to hustle for some muscle. Front double bicep and strike. And relax please, gentlemen. Front lat spread and strike. And relax please, gentlemen. Side chest and strike. And relax please, gentlemen. Gentlemen, side tricep and strike. All right, gentlemen, facing the back, please, for a back double bicep and strike. Gentlemen, transition into a rear lat spread and strike. abdominals and thighs, and strike. And relax, gentlemen. Final pose, most muscular, and strike. All right, gentlemen, while the judges tabulate, the front of stage is yours for a pose down. Bring it forward, boys. Free posing.
Next level talk.
Gentlemen, great showcasing. Let's push you all back. Push every one of you back onto the back line, please. We're going to call for the top 5 in no particular order. If you hear your number, come forward. Number 99, come forward, please. 99. That's it, 99. Come forward, that's it. Number 103, come forward, please. 103. 65, come forward, please. 108, come forward, please. And 515, come forward, please. All right, congratulations to the gentlemen in the back. We'll get you guys on either side of the podium. All right, 5 down to 1. In 5th place, we have number 515, on guard. In 4th place, we have number 103, Shri. Hold on, Shri. Your top 3. In 3rd place, number 65, Vikan GTF. Your top 2. In 2nd place, we've got number 99, Sadiq. Which means your bodybuilding first timer class 3 champion is 108 Drew. All right, boys, looking straight ahead once the medals are on, and your favorite bodybuilding pose, boys. Straight ahead.